You got a messy face. Yeah, you do. You got a messy face. You need your face washed. You gonna let me get a wet wipe and wipe your face off?
Come here.
I'm right here. You come here. Be nice to your brother. Not No, you know what you were doing. Be nice to your brother. What are you looking at? Huh? Huh?
Hello?
Hello.
No.
What you see, baby? What is it? What do you see? What is it? What is it, baby? Let me see. Airplane. I know. That airplane out there, ain't it? Did you see it? It's an airplane. You see it? It's just an airplane. I know. You don't like it, do you? But it's okay, honey. It's not going to get you. It's just an airplane. You got good eyes, Char. Yeah. You can see that, can't you? It's not a predator, honey. It's not going to get you. It's not going to get you. I see it too. It's fine. It's moving across the sky, ain't it? Yeah. No, it's okay. It's okay. You're safe. Let me see. Let mommy see where it's at. Yep, I see it. It's just a white little trail of stuff, ain't it? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay though, babe. Trust me. It's okay, Charlie. It's okay. You don't have to be scared. No, it's just an airplane, honey. It's okay. Oh, baby girl. It'll go bye-bye in a minute, okay? You won't see it here in a little bit. Unless there's another one. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Char, honey, let me see. Oh, yeah. There's two of them, ain't there? Yeah. You're okay. I know, baby. Mommy's here. I know it. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me about it. It's okay. Poor baby girl. All right, honey. You can get down if you want to. You want to get down? Or are you just going to stare at it until it goes bye-bye? Okay, baby.